Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install FastTrade app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. FastTrade app is a mobile application for commission-free trading of various financial instruments. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search FastTrade app. There you can see FastTrade, Invest and Trade. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open FastTrade app to trade and invest in stock through your mobile. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.